Welcome another video, dear viewers. In this video, we honor a truly remarkable man with a striking build and an impressive physique that radiates confidence and style. With every glance, his build is more than just facial hair. It represents discipline, grooming, and personal expression. The effort he puts into maintaining it reflects his parade in showcasing the best version of himself. His beard is impeccably shaped, tidy, and fashionable, accentuating the strong lines of his jaw and enhancing his masculine appeal. This is no coincidence, it's the outcome of consistent effort, commitment, and meticulous attention to detail. See you another next video, next double day reviewer. Okay,